Cordless leaf blowers look simple, but the wrong one can feel weak, heavy, or run out too fast. So today, we're looking at 5 of the best cordless leaf blowers of 2026 for cleaner yards, easier handling, and better battery performance. Let's get into it. Before you choose a cordless leaf blower, focus on what actually affects daily use. Tip 1. Look for higher CFM if you need to move more leaves at once, especially across grass or wide yard areas. Tip 2. Choose longer battery runtime if you have a medium or large yard, because turbo mode drains batteries faster. Tip 3. Pay attention to weight and grip comfort, since even a powerful blower can feel annoying if it gets tiring to hold. Now, let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Ego Power Plus 880 cubic feet per minute. This is the one to look at if you want serious cordless power for wet leaves, heavy debris, and larger cleanup jobs without switching to gas. You get a premium carbon fiber build, a shoulder strap, tapered and spread nozzles, and a digital display that keeps speed, battery level, and cruise lock easy to track. It delivers up to 880 cubic feet per minute and up to 200 miles per hour, so it has enough force for thick leaf piles, driveway debris, and tougher yard cleanup where smaller blowers can struggle. The kit includes two 56-volt 4.0 ampere-hour batteries, a 320-watt charger, variable speed control from 270 to 700 cubic feet per minute, turbo mode, cruise lock, and IPX4 weather resistance. Quick tip for making the most of this product: use lower speeds for normal cleanup and save turbo for wet leaves, corners, and heavy debris, because max power drains the battery faster. Most buyers will like the strong airflow, clean controls, and battery flexibility. But with the batteries installed, it feels heavier than compact cordless blowers. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a powerful cordless blower for bigger yards and tougher cleanup jobs. Don't buy it if you only need a small, lightweight blower for patios, decks, or quick garage cleanup. But if you want a blower that also works as a vacuum, the next pick gives you more versatility. Coming in at number 4, the Greenworks 40-volt cordless brushless leaf blower/vacuum. This is the pick for buyers who want more than just a blower. It clears leaves, vacuums debris, and mulches everything down into the collection bag, making it a smart choice for full yard cleanup. You get a cordless blower and vacuum design, a collection bag, cushioned grip, variable controls, and a push-button start that keeps it much easier than gas-powered cleanup tools. It delivers 505 cubic feet per minute airflow and up to 230 miles per hour airspeed, giving it enough force for leaves, patios, driveways, and heavier yard debris when you need more than basic blowing power. The big advantage is the vacuum and mulching system, which reduces leaf volume with a 12:1 mulch ratio and works with Greenworks 40-volt batteries across the wider tool lineup. Quick tip for making the most of this product: use blower mode first to gather leaves into piles, then switch to vacuum mode for easier bagging and mulching. Most buyers will like the power and 2-in-1 flexibility, but because this is a blower and vacuum combo, it feels heavier than compact blower-only models. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want one cordless tool that can blow, vacuum, and mulch leaves instead of just moving debris around. Don't buy it if you only need a lightweight blower for quick driveway, porch, or garage cleanup. But if runtime matters more than vacuum features, the next pick is built for longer cordless cleanup sessions. Coming in at number 3, the Works WG 584 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower. This is a strong pick if you want a cordless blower that balances runtime, power, and easy one-handed control without jumping into premium pricing. You get a handheld design that weighs about 7.3 pounds with both batteries installed, plus an onboard battery gauge so you can track power while working. It uses Works turbine fan technology to push up to 470 cubic feet per minute, giving you a wide stream of air for leaves, grass clippings, sidewalks, and general yard cleanup. You get 4 airflow levels, two 20-volt 2.5 ampere-hour power share batteries, a dual charger, and a brushless motor designed for better efficiency and longer tool life. Quick tip for making the most of this product. Use lower speeds for light cleanup and save turbo for stubborn leaves, because the longest runtime comes when you are not running max power all the time. Most users will like the lighter feel, simple controls, and shared battery system, but it is better for regular yard cleanup than heavy wet leaf piles. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a cordless blower with solid runtime, easy handling, and batteries that work across the Works PowerShare system. Don't buy it if you need maximum blowing force for heavy wet leaves, large properties, or commercial-style cleanup. But if you want the most affordable option on this list, the next pick keeps things simple and budget-friendly. Coming in at number 2, the eWork 21-volt cordless leaf blower. This is the pick for buyers who want a low-cost cordless blower for patios, sidewalks, driveways, garages, and quick yard cleanup without spending premium money. You get a compact handheld design, simple trigger control, a turbo button, and a lightweight body that is easy to carry for quick cleaning jobs. It delivers up to 550 cubic feet per minute and 150 miles per hour, which is strong for the price and works well for dry leaves, dust, grass clippings, and light debris around the home. The kit includes two 21-volt 3.0 ampere-hour batteries, a fast charger, battery charge indicator, overload protection, and up to 45 minutes of claimed runtime depending on use. Quick tip for making the most of this product. Use it for dry leaves and hard surfaces first, because wet leaves and heavy piles will drain the battery faster and need more power. Most buyers will like the price, lightweight feel, and included batteries, but there is no low battery warning, so the blower may stop suddenly when power runs out. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want an affordable cordless blower for light home cleanup, patios, garages, and small yards. Don't buy it if you need heavy-duty power for wet leaves, thick piles, or a large property. But if you want the strongest overall balance of power, runtime, and everyday usability, the number 1 pick brings it all together. Coming in at number 1, the Craftsman V20 Brushless RP Cordless Leaf Blower. This is the best overall pick for most homeowners because it gives you solid cordless power, good runtime, easy handling, and a trusted battery platform without feeling too heavy or complicated. You get a lightweight handheld design, a comfortable grip, variable speed trigger, boost button, and a built-in VersaTrack hook for cleaner garage storage. It delivers up to 410 cubic feet per minute and 110 miles per hour with boost, giving it enough power for dry leaves, grass clippings, driveway debris, and regular yard cleanup. The kit includes a V25.0 ampere-hour battery and charger with up to 24 minutes of runtime and compatibility across the Craftsman V20 tool lineup. Quick tip for making the most of this product. Use the regular trigger for light cleanup and save boost mode for stubborn debris because full power will drain the battery faster. Most buyers will like the easy setup, balanced feel, quieter cordless operation, and reliable everyday performance for normal residential yard work. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want the best overall cordless blower for regular home cleanup, easy control, and good battery value. Don't buy it if you need extreme power for wet leaves, large properties, or heavy commercial-style cleanup. And that wraps up our top 5 cordless leaf blowers. But before you choose one, let's quickly recap which model makes the most sense for your yard. So that's our top 5 cordless leaf blowers for 2026. If you want the best overall balance, go with Craftsman. For budget cleanup, eWork is the easy pick. And if you need serious power, the Ego is built for bigger jobs. Check the links below for the latest prices. And if this helped, like the video and subscribe to Gadget Flow for more smart buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.